got a question tonight about a nursing facility. Back with us for the Law and You attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, as always, it's a pleasure.
Pleasure to be here. Did you have a good Easter?
I did, yeah. You know, getting back into the swing of things, you guys?
Oh, fantastic.
Ate a lot of chocolate.
Greg's in a chocolate coma. We'll give him a second to recover. Let's get to the question in the meantime. Mary in New Angola says, my neighbor was in a nursing facility after a stroke, and the resident abused him. What does he need to do to file a lawsuit since he is incapacitated? What can you tell Mary?
So Mary, this is actually a little bit more complicated than you would think, because he's incapacitated. And if he doesn't have, a power of attorney or a guardianship already appointed, first thing that's going to need to happen is you're going to need to have a guardian ad litem appointed, which is a guardian to pursue litigation. His doctor is going to need to, fill out a form, possibly testify that he's incapacitated and not able to make decisions on his own behalf. The court will then appoint a guardian to pursue any litigation. So it's a little bit of work. And it's a time-consuming process. We've done it quite a bit, in our medical malpractice cases, our trucking cases, things of that nature. But that's the first step that you'll need to do, and also to get the records.
And the other thing, too, is with these nursing homes, we're seeing a lot of legislation these days coming out of Harrisburg trying to limit the elderly's rights to recover, like capping damages and doing things basically so the people in the nursing homes really aren't going to be protected. And I think people need to pay attention to these laws as they're coming up and let their legislators know that, hey, look, we need to protect our elderly, and they need all the rights that the law affords them. Don't be limiting those, because there's some stuff coming out of Harrisburg in the next couple months that is not good for our elderly. Not good.
And I don't want to make his ego any bigger, but there is nobody that is out there working harder for consumers' rights than my partner is, and in conjunction with the Northeast delegation, both Republicans and Democrats are doing an outstanding job protecting consumers and protecting the elderly from, and Greg has been working hand in hand with these folks, and they're really doing an excellent job. And
so Greg, a consumer advocate, and Starflex are up at the dump.
Yeah, we're not going to get his head out.
Weather, I can do that.
I mean, his head's not going to get out of here.
All right, that's going to do it for tonight. Results Matter with Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. Don't forget, Law and You Hotline or PAHomepage.com.